Okay, so I'm just going to show you a simple DIY home decor wall canvas. So I got this idea off of Pinterest. So I scrolled and I was looking for some simple artwork to do, something that was really easy to do and also look very nice. So I'm going to share this idea with you that I found on Pinterest, and all you're going to need is a few materials. You're just going to need a small brush, and this is a size 6 Princeton Snap Filbert brush. So this filbert brush has like a curved point on the end. It's not real pointy and it's not square, so it's kind of in the middle of being a flat brush and a round brush. So you're going to need some kind of brush like this, and it's, like I said, this is a size 6. You're also going to need some craft acrylic paint. For this project, I decided to make it as simple as possible. So all I basically used was some silver metallic acrylic paint, so also some white paint, and I also have a dark color. You can use a black or a dark blue, anything dark. And those are the 3 colors that I'm going to use. So I'm mainly using a lot of the silver paint. So yeah, you can use any size. The size canvas that I'm going to show in the video is a 12 by 6, or actually 16 by 20 canvas. It's a larger canvas, but any canvas will be just fine. But yeah, you're going to start off, what I did was start off making a few dots, and then I painted the dots all around the little dots that I drew. So it's very simple, very easy, and you can hang it, something to look nice in your home. If you're new to art and you're new to any kind of painting, this is a very, very simple project, and you're going to come out with a great result. So I'm going to show you my little time-lapse video of how I painted some easy DIY minimal home decor. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so you're just going to start off by making like a small X on anywhere in the canvas where you want to start your circles. And also what I did was I drew out some large circles in some charcoal. So I just kind of sketched out where I want to stop the end of my circle. So, but yeah, you're just going to paint around that little X that you made. So all I'm doing is just doing some small brush strokes, and I'm going around each circle. So this is very simple, and all you're doing is just repeating the shapes, and you just go around the circle just like I'm doing right here. And I'm using the silver acrylic. So I'm just going to speed this up because I know it can get pretty boring if I let you watch this video as I repeat the same thing over and over. So I'm going to speed this up, but you can get the idea of how you can paint this, and it's very simple, like I said, and it only requires just a few materials. You will probably spend about maybe less than $10 if you wanted to make your own artwork for your home. So at the top right corner, I'm using black mixed with a little bit of white, so it's not so dark. So I'm using more of a darker color for that top right side. And then I'm also going to kind of go over some of the shapes with some white acrylic paint. It's just giving me, you don't have to do this, but I'm just kind of changing things up just a little bit, and just kind of adding some contrast here with the colors. So I'm just kind of going over a few of the shapes with the white acrylic paint, and some of them I'm just going to kind of darken some of the shapes. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You can leave them all silver if you want to, or you can change them. So it's all in how you want to see your painting.